Welcome to AAA Kitchen. I'm Teresa. Grown-ups, it's our favorite time of year again, back to school time. We know that kids need healthy, nutritious snacks for their on-the-go lifestyle. One of my favorites to make is the BLT, only I add mozzarella cheese on it. My kids love it. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's get started.
First, we need to fry up some bacon. Next, place your bread on a skillet grill and press until it looks toasted. Lift the press and add bacon, lettuce, tomato, and cheese, of course. Add your top piece of bread and press until that cheese is nice and melted. Delish.
For more recipes and information on how to order our world-class cheeses, visit AAAcheese.com and don't forget to enter this season's giveaway contest.